Welcome back to Rust Run. In our previous video, we created our first Rust program. Today, we're taking things to the next level by converting Visual Studio Code into the ultimate Rust development IDE. I'm super excited to show you how to install the Rust Run extension pack. This pack bundles 8 essential extensions that transform VS Code into the ultimate Rust development powerhouse. It's built to evolve. As soon as some tools become outdated or better alternatives emerge, the pack will be updated to keep you on the cutting edge of Rust development. Got a proposal for a tool that should be added? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Let's open Visual Studio Code and head over to the Extensions view by clicking the icon on the activity bar. In the search box, type Rust Run and you'll see our extension pack appear. With one click on the Install button, you'll receive the ultimate extension pack for Rust development. Let's take a look at what's currently inside our pack. Rust Analyzer elevates your coding experience by offering smart auto-completion, real-time code analysis, and seamless navigation, making Rust development smoother and more intuitive. CodeLLDB integrates powerful debugging tools into VS Code, allowing you to step through your Rust code with ease, inspect variables, and troubleshoot issues efficiently. Even better, TOML optimizes your editing experience for TOML files by providing smart syntax highlighting, intelligent auto-completion, and real-time error detection. Depend helps you visualize and manage your project dependencies with ease. Error Lens shows inline error messages so you can fix issues as you code. Better Comments organizes and highlights your comments for better readability. Extensions like Docs View and To-Do Tree aren't covered in this video, but we'll find them super useful later in the course. Get ready for some fun! In the next video, we'll build a classic guessing game using Rust. We'll dive into Rust's powerful standard library, work with user input, and implement basic game logic. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.